Alright guys, what's good? I am here at my favorite spot, one of my favorite spots, pull apart. I have to go out here and see if I can find some parts for, actually, a friend of mine got a convertible top PT Cruiser. And y'all know the smart glass, y'all know how the glass set up on that car? It has to go down about 10 centimeters before you can open the door. If not, the glass will stay locked in the channel and you can damage the glass. Well, her car will not go up or down. It's called a smart glass system. They did a lot of that with the convertible tops. Okay, you don't want the glass still in the channels while you open it and close the door. So the system is designed to pull it down for like 10 centimeters so you can open it properly. Okay, but it looks like they got this precautionary COVID-19 thing going on, so I'm okay with that. I got nothing but time, so we shall wait. Man, he must got in and out. All right, guys, it has to be like a 2005 or 2004 model PT Cruiser with a convertible. It has to have a convertible or it won't work. Oh, here go one right here. What year is this? Hey, 2005. Please, I hope ain't nobody been in the door. The door panel's off. I wonder what did they get. Yes, the module is still here. Oh boy, I hope they didn't get something important off of it. That is what I need right there, ladies and gentlemen. This is a module slash motor. Whoa, okay, this was unplugged. I don't know, guys. At this point, this thing is unavailable new from Chrysler anymore, so really ain't got much of a choice. I'll have to, and I'm sure it's not that expensive, so let me grab a couple of tools and see if I can get this bad baby off. Because it's the only other option. Alright, what I need is 10 millimeter. Let's see what we got here. Let's get all this shit off. Only time you get to take parts off and not worry about, I'll try to memorize how they go, because you don't care. This is what I need, that motor, baby. It's part of the regulator assembly. Like I said, you can't get it through Chrysler anymore. Alright, let's do this. Okay, I might have to get the whole, I might have to take the whole regulator assembly out, guys. And you know what? I think that is the case. But it doesn't matter. We got to get it. Let's get it. Alright, guys. I got that last bolt out. I had to pry the window up, the glass up, so it'll stay up off of the regulator. Now, let's see if I can get this out in one piece. Because remember, I have no power supply, so I can't let it down or up. So I got to finagle it out of here. Come on, baby. Yeah. Oh yeah. Ah. There you go. Now, I'm almost thinking, guys, they're gonna try to hem me up. And keep in mind, guys, I don't need the regulator. I just need the module slash motor. This is the module right here. And this is the motor. So if I just go up there with just this, I might can just get charged for a window motor only. Because I'm almost certain the regulator gonna be expensive. So with that in mind, I'm about to unconnect this module from this regulator. What is that, a 516? So guys, let me grab some tools. I don't want to walk up there with this complete regulator that I don't need and be charged with it. All right, and I'm almost thinking, guys, what y'all think? I should get the other side because I have these problems all the time. You know what? I think that's what I'm gonna do. But for now, let me get this off. All right, hold tight. There you have it. This is what I need. And to go even a step farther, because I could actually separate this module from the motor. Okay, because it just stabs in as an electrical component. But I don't want to split those two up. I might be taking a chance doing all that. I'm just trying to walk out of here with the lowest payment amount possible. And I think a window motor is no more than 15 bucks anyway. So I just settle for this, guys. All right. Mission accomplished. 2005. What else they got on this car? Something else, man. Oh, this is a turbo. I hate turbo engines with a passion because I got burnt so many times replacing those turbos unit. You know, you can bring those units up as one whole and split them from the exhaust, but Chrysler didn't want to pay us. They want to, the way they sent it is with the exhaust attached to it, but everybody was doing it the other way. And I got a claim rejected. I've been burnt on those ever since. I've been scarred, I mean, from those ever since. They rejected the claim, warranty claim. One year I did a turbo unit. I split it from the exhaust. Well, you know, of course, we got to turn the old one in as a core. But when I did that, they rejected the claim. I got back flag. I had to pay some money. I was freaking pissed. So I've been scarred. I haven't touched another turbo on that year car ever since. It's called scarred. I'm scarred for life. All right, guys. So I'm gonna wrap this up, man. Let me run out of here. I'm gonna grab that other side off of here. There's no sense in showing that. Y'all already see. Now here's what I'm talking about. You see how this glass is that's supposed to go down. Now of course there's no power on this car, so there's no battery or anything like that. But when you press there's a sensor inside of the door handle, inside and out. When you press that, the glass is supposed to go, it's supposed to lower to clear this channel. If not, you're gonna damage the glass. So they call that a smart glass system. I explained that on a video I did a long time ago, and I think it was done poorly. Of course it was. That was 2-3 years ago. I was just getting into the recording YouTube mechanical side. So my English was flawed. Everything was flawed about that. But that information is out there. So I'm going to grab this side too, because I almost guarantee you I'm going to need it sooner or later. I just keep it in my toolbox. And y'all remember the video I talked about, if you do something on a daily basis and you think you're going to need a certain module, just get it and keep it in your toolbox. Just look at it as a tool, okay? Because nobody want to keep diagnosing a freaking tip them every 5 minutes or every time they bring a car in. They can simply have one at their disposal and test it that way. That makes the testing easier and less time consuming. Okay, guys, so let me get this other side out and we're going to wrap this off, guys. Stay with me, don't go anywhere. I will be right back. Okay, guys, I just got heads up. Window motors, $23 basically. So with tax, I'll be at about $25. Good, because that's pretty much all I got. Y'all see how they set up since the COVID-19 hit? They now have screens in front of them. Basically, let's see what's going on. Window motor. Alright, so look, in a second, yeah. No. Hey, it's 30 days on the warranty. So yeah, it's 30 days on the warranty.
Make sure you hold in your receipt, okay?
All right. Okay.
Thanks, sir.
Well, no. This thing, Motor slash module. Yes, you can do the module. You can't get parts, but if you had to only get the module, you can't just put the little module inside of it, because the module is what sends power to the motor. Okay, that's still a connector, but because it's a smart glass system, they had to use a module. And this module is actually on the bus, so you can view data and information like that on your scan tool, if your scan tool will allow it. Now my DRB would definitely allow this. Here's my baby. I gotta get going, guys, so y'all stay with me, man. I'll see y'all. I'll catch y'all in a second, man. Don't go anywhere. I will be right back.